Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that will elevate your aerial photography and videography game, the DJI Mini 3 with DJI RC. If you're interested in checking the latest price and availability, we've added a link in the description below. So, what exactly is the DJI Mini 3? This compact drone is designed for both amateur and experienced pilots, featuring a 4K camera, a 3-axis mechanical gimbal for stability, and an impressive flight time of up to 38 minutes. Weighing in at under 249 grams, it eliminates the need for FAA registration, making it an accessible choice for anyone looking to explore the skies without added bureaucracy. Now, let's delve into some of the standout features of this drone. First and foremost, the 4K UHD video quality is stunning. The Mini 3 captures crystal-clear aerial shots thanks to its dual native ISO fusion technology, which allows you to film in both bright daylight and low-light conditions without losing detail. This feature is a game-changer for those who want to capture breathtaking landscapes or nighttime cityscapes. One of the unique aspects of the Mini 3 is its capability for vertical shooting. With true vertical shooting, you can easily film tall landmarks like skyscrapers and waterfalls, making it a fantastic tool for content creators who want to share eye-catching videos on social media platforms. Battery life is another critical aspect of a drone, and the Mini 3 doesn't disappoint. With a standard flight time of up to 38 minutes, you can get plenty of footage in a single outing. If you opt for the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, you can extend your flight time to an astonishing 51 minutes, although this will increase the drone's weight. For those who want to maximize their flying experience, the Fly More combo offers up to 114 minutes of total flight time, enabling you to shoot more and worry less about recharging. Wind resistance is also impressive, rated at level 5, which means the Mini 3 can handle winds up to 38 km per hour. Combined with its 3-axis gimbal, this drone ensures your footage remains stable and smooth, even in breezy conditions. The robust brushless motors allow for takeoff at altitudes of up to 4,000 meters, giving you the freedom to explore diverse landscapes. One of the most appealing features of the DJI Mini 3 is its 10 km maximum HD video transmission range. This capability, along with excellent anti-interference technology, allows you to fly farther and capture stunning visuals without worrying about signal loss. Now, who is this drone suitable for? The DJI Mini 3 is perfect for both beginners and seasoned pilots. Its GPS return-to-home feature, precise hovering, and auto takeoff/landing functions instill confidence in new flyers. Plus, the in-app learning resources make it easy to get up to speed, ensuring you can master flight techniques quickly. There are countless practical use cases for the Mini 3. Whether you want to document outdoor adventures, capture family gatherings from a unique perspective, or even scout locations for a wedding or event, this drone has you covered. Its creative features like quick shots let you choose dynamic flight patterns, and panorama mode allows you to capture expansive views effortlessly. Lastly, the included DJI RC enhances your flying experience with a built-in 5.5-inch HD display, ensuring you can see your shots clearly, even in direct sunlight. The quick transfer feature via Wi-Fi speeds up the process of downloading your footage, making it easy to share your adventures with friends and followers. In summary, the DJI Mini 3 is an exceptional drone that combines portability, advanced shooting capabilities, and user-friendly features. Whether you're a hobbyist or a budding filmmaker, this drone is designed to help you capture the world from a whole new perspective. Thanks for watching.